Jai Matadi, this is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, and today I am going to talk about one of the most important things, and that is about us. There have been a lot of conventions in shipping industry, lots and lots of, but there is one convention which is only and only dedicated to the seafarer community. That is for us, for our welfare, and that is called Maritime Labour Convention. This is the book. इसमें लिखा है Compendium of Maritime Labour Instruments. So let's talk about MLC today, guys. MLC was brought for us. Why? Because there have been instances in the past where, because of selfish interests, selfish motives of ship owners, many seafarers had lost their lives. They had lost a lot of money, and lot of skill set was destroyed. And this Maritime Labour Convention brought us seafarers in a very, very safe zone. How? So I have distributed this MLC convention into three important things. Health, सबसे important, right guys? Second is wealth. That is what we have come here to earn money, wealth. And third is skill. When I talk about health, सबसे important, right guys? First thing is age. So what MLC said was that there should not be any person working on board ship who should be less than 16 years old. Second thing they said, if he is above 16, but if he is less than 18 years old, then also this guy needs to get a specific treatment. That means he cannot work during the night hours, and he cannot work more than 40 hours in a week's period. Of course, some particular special conditions if are there, then definitely he can. Otherwise, these are some important conditions applied. Second thing, medical. When I talk about medical, so first thing is, imagine a person like me who's got very poor eyesight. I've got color blindness. I come here on board ship, I start working, and within a month, because of this color blindness, I could not see something very important, and I got hit. I got badly injured, and I was sent away for life. I could not work back on ship. So why was it? Because I did not have poor eyesight. I had poor eyesight. So what they first do is they make sure that a seafarer who comes on board ship should be medically fit. So uske liye what they do is, in India at least, DG shipping approved doctor say you get a your consolidated medicals is carried out, and then a medical certificate is given to you. Ki bhaiya, yes, the DG shipping approved doctor says I certify that this guy is certified to join ship. Second thing, तो यहाँ पर आपको that you are medically fit has been taken care of. When you come on board ship, you need hospital facility. अरे भाई कभी चोट लग गई, कोई कट लग गया, you need those facilities. You have got pain, immense pain out here in your stomach or head or something. So there has to be a hospital on board ship. First thing. Second thing, apart from that, captain is the medical officer on board ship who knows all about the medicines. They are captains and all are provided specific training, so that if there is a little bit injury or something which can be taken care of, these are the guys who are well aware, and at least for a small period of time, till the time it is manageable, they should be able to manage those things. So hospital with all these facilities should be there on board ship. Third thing is, what happens, suppose I am working someday and I get badly injured to the extent that even the captain on board ship is not being able to manage what's happening on board. Then in that case, Maritime Labour Convention says that no matter what, life is more important. Even if you have to divert the ship from mid-sea to the nearest port, do that. Get a ambulance or get a helicopter and get that person evacuated as early as possible. No matter how much money is spent, does not matter, but that life needs to be saved. All the medical expenses for that person are to be borne by the shipping owners. Till the time that person becomes well, your basic salary will continue. Normally it goes up to 4 months after the injury has taken place. And in case if you are very badly injured and you cannot come back on ship, then definitely the insurance things comes into play. So that is about medicals. Then comes about, it's just not about that, it's about, see, accommodation. You are sleeping but it's very noisy out there. Can you get a good sound sleep? If you cannot have a sound sleep, can you work properly? If you cannot work properly, if your mind is dizzy, there are chances that you can get injured. You can be a liability for someone else. So साउंड स्लीप होनी चाहिए, नॉइज नहीं होनी चाहिए, कैबिन शुड बी वेल लिट, लाइटिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए, मिनिमम Things like a table, a chair on board ship needs to be there where a person can study. Proper bedding needs to be there so that you get a proper sleep. These are some important factors that need to be taken care of. Not just that, you need to have a good sanitary facilities. ऐसा नहीं कि you open your bathroom and it's stinking like anything and you that's bad. So proper hygiene needs to be there. Apart from that, it's minus 10 degrees outside and you're getting chilled water to take bath. Is it possible for you to take bath? No. So hot and cold water facilities need to be there. These are some of the important things that need to be taken care of. Not just that, it can be outside 40 degrees centigrade, so your ship should have AC, working air conditioning system, proper working air conditioning system. If it is outside minus 5 degrees centigrade, AC should be working as a heating thing. So proper heating arrangement should be there, so your cabin temperature should be around 20 degrees centigrade so that you can sleep properly. Apart from that, your recreation facilities. आप अपने घर पे email कर सको at least. This is the bare minimum facility that needs to be there. Calling facility needs to be there. On board right now, they are fighting for getting internet facilities on board, even if it is paid or free. It depends owner to owner. Apart from that, TV viewing, reading books, gymnasium or a table tennis, wherever you can play sports. You can have cards on board ship, you can have chess on board ship, all these things. Music system on board ship. That is for your welfare, because you have to keep your mind away from all these things. Apart from that, a great importance is related to your work and rest hours. I am definitely going to make a different video on this. Why? Because this is very important. कि कितना काम आपसे करवाया जाना चाहिए. एक हर चीज की एक लिमिट होती है, and that is what I am going to talk about. Now when the health, this is all about the health part. Now let's come to the wealth part. Wealth part में first comes is wages. So guys, first thing is your wages should be on time. Second thing is a minimum standard is set कि no matter what you cannot give wages below this standard. Minimum wages is very very important. Otherwise people at times, not everyone, but some selfish ship owners can misuse your need because of their greed. So that is taken care of. Apart from that, before you join ship, you get an employment contract in which your salary, your overtime, your basic salary, the port from where you are joining, who is your, depending on what are you, who are your agents, everything is mentioned, and that's a legal contract that is important. When it comes to wealth, not just this, another important is, suppose you want to sign off from US or from Russia, the ticket is for 1 lakh rupees and owner says, "Hey, वो तो तुम्हें अपनी pocket से देना पड़ेगा." Nobody. That is your ship owner's responsibility. He will be paying from his own pocket. That is called repatriation. That has to be taken care of by ship owner, not from you. Let's come to the skill set. One thing is, they ensure that any person like me or like you who is joining on board ship should have proper training, proper certification. And why is that important? Because if you are not trained properly and you come on ship, you are a living hazard. You can get injured and you can cause injury to someone else. On board in India, that is being taken care of by DG Shipping, and that's why this word DG Shipping approved institutes is very very important. Not just that, abhi on board ship, food is very very important. Suppose you work hard, environment is very good, cooling is very good, you get a proper sleep, but what if you're not getting proper food? And who's the one who's making food? That is chief cook. So chief cook के लिए अभी certificate of competency is very very important. When I just forgot one more point. When I was talking about health, I have talked about chief cook right now कि chief cook का भी अपना test वगैरह होता है. They have to have that COC certificate competency that they are fit to cook food on ship. But I forgot to tell you about galley thing. कि on board ship it is very important कि the food that you eat should have a proper nutritional value. It should be kept in a good hygiene. It should be cooked in good hygiene. Temperatures are to maintain such that they do not get deteriorated या खाना खराब नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. That is very very important. That should be taken care of. Apart from that, veg and non-veg. Some people are vegetarian, some people are non-vegetarian. That has to be taken care of. Every month there has to be a mess committee meeting where it has to be discussed with the chief cook कि भैया menu has to be discussed कि इस महीने क्या menu रहेगा and what all people want to eat. If there are some special requests and if chief cook can take care of them, then it is very good. But this is something which is very very important, needs to be taken care of. That is food. That's all from my side. Jai Mata Di. Remember guys, MLC, any convention coming like this, anything into this, It is for our benefit, our safety. Jai Mata.